Excellence in civil construction. Project value up to $2 million. DJ McCormick Contractors. Swan Street Guildford Drainage Upgrade, Stage 2. Microtunnelling and open cut. DJ McCormick was engaged by the City of Swan as part of an upgrade of the Swan Street drainage system in Guildford. The project involved a drive length of 234 metres of 800mm inside diameter steel reinforced concrete jacking pipes via slurry microtunnelling for the main drain. This was one of the longest single drives of its type. DJ McCormick undertook all the design for temporary works, including shoring, thrust block, entrance ring and a concrete pad to facilitate the drive. The company also constructed new manholes over the entire pipeline length and supplied and installed pipes via open trenching to connect manholes and gully pits, along with the reconnection of existing drainage. Closed-face, laser-guided steerable microtunnelling systems were utilised to minimise overcut and achieved the required 20mm tolerance for each drive. Enviro Infrastructure, Leighton Embankment Remediation. Enviro was appointed by the Public Transport Authority, PTA, to remediate a failing limestone embankment which was causing debris fall and posing a risk to rail operations on the Fremantle line. This embankment, located parallel to Stirling Highway opposite the Leighton rail yard, was cut almost 100 years ago in the early development period of Perth's rail network, and years of weathering had caused sectional undermining and erosion to the limestone rock face. Not only was the remediation footprint located within the structural clearance of the rail line and its high voltage overhead live equipment, but a redundant 600mm asbestos water main was identified as running through the full extent of the 325-metre long remediation alignment. Despite extensive logistical and planning challenges, this project was delivered on time, on budget and with zero HSEQ incidents or quality non-conformances. Excellence in civil construction. Project value from $2 to $5 million. WA Limestone Contracting. Rottnest South Thomson Seawall project. WA Limestone Contracting constructed a 150-metre limestone seawall and associated landscaping infrastructure adjacent to the southernmost cottages in the South Thomson settlement. The impact on the community during construction was significant due to the large volume of truck movements to be transported by barge to the island. The island roadways were narrow with heavy foot and bicycle traffic, and there was substantial noise, dust and vibration impacts on local permanent residents. However, with careful management, WA Limestone Contracting minimised the negative impacts to residents and holidaymakers, resulting in a favourable outcome for all stakeholders. Importantly, the community were provided with a lasting structure which would withstand adverse wind and wave impacts, preventing erosion near accommodation and infrastructure. Rob Carr and Water Corporation. Belmont Park Optus Stadium DN 500 Water Link. This project included the construction of a new water distribution main connecting to an existing DN 500 water main located in the northern precinct of the Optus Stadium site, and microtunnelling under the PTA rail corridor and Graham Farmer Freeway to connect to a proposed DN 400 water main located in the Belmont Park development site. The proposed pipe alignment extended across an area historically used as a landfill and a concrete batching site. Both controlled and uncontrolled fill were encountered across the site. The area was known to contain remnants of cinders and fly ash from the decommissioned East Perth Power Station. This required onerous controls to manage the safety and environmental outputs. Rob Carr showcased exceptional expertise in managing a mix of ground conditions along the tunnel alignment.